Okay, this one is rather strange, and I've heard something like this myself. Though it was a bit fainter, it seemed to be coming from the east, though couldn't really be sure. I walked all around town trying to find the source. Nothing that could cause the sounds that I could see, despite following it as best as I could. This definitely seems rather real to me. I wondered if we can find the source of this. Anyone tried triangulating the sounds? Maybe if we can figure out if there is a common direction or point it's coming from, we can figure it out.